Here is something that happens to almost every AI user, every single day. You get a brilliant answer, and then you spend 30 minutes manually restructuring it. The AI did 80% of the work, but the format made the last 20% take longer than the whole thing should have. Today, I'm giving you 15 format instructions that eliminate that problem entirely. This is the final piece of the RCTO framework we've been building.
Let's nail the definition first. An output format instruction is the closing line of any prompt that specifies the exact structural form the AI's response should take. Not what to say, but how to organize and present what it says. 3 reasons this step is chronically underused. First, AI defaults to prose. Left to its own judgment, the AI produces well-organized paragraphs. That is great for reading. It is terrible for pasting into a spreadsheet, an automation workflow, or a presentation slide. Second, most people don't know the vocabulary of formats. They know they want something structured, but they don't know whether they mean a decision matrix, a para document, a SEXI argument, or a prompt chain. This library names every format you'll ever need. Third, the time cost compounds invisibly. 10 AI uses per day, 8 minutes of reformatting per use. That is 80 minutes per day, 400 minutes per week, 340 hours per year, spent reformatting rather than executing. At any professional billing rate, that number becomes significant very quickly. The output format instruction is the fix for all 3.
15 formats across 5 categories. Documents, for when the output is something you read or share. Formats 1 through 4. Data, for when the output goes directly into a tool, spreadsheet, or automation. Formats 5 through 8. Process, for plans, decision frameworks, and structured workflows. Formats 9 through 12. Communication, for sequences and persuasive writing. Formats 13 and 14. And specialized, the prompt chain, for building AI workflows. Format 15. We're going deep on the highest impact formats in each category. All 15 are in the free download below. You don't need to copy anything during this video. 4 document formats. Each one replaces a type of reformatting you currently do manually. Format 1, the Executive Summary. The structure is situation in 2 sentences, finding as 3 bullet points, recommendation in 1 sentence, risk in 1 sentence. 200 words maximum. No jargon, no passive voice. That instruction consistently produces a document a senior leader actually reads rather than skims and ignores. Format 2, the SOP, Standard Operating Procedure. The most important field is second-person active voice. You will do X, not the user should consider doing X. That one difference determines whether someone follows the document or reads it once and calls you anyway. Success criteria and common mistakes are built into the format. Format 3, the one-pager. 6 fields: headline, problem, solution, why now, proof, next step. 60-second read. No visible headers in the final document, it flows as connected paragraphs. This format replaces a 10-slide deck for initial stakeholder conversations. Format 4, the para document. If you use Notion or Obsidian, this format means every AI output lands pre-tagged, pre-dated, and immediately retrievable. The tags field alone changes whether you can find the output 3 months from now.
The data formats are the highest leverage category for anyone who uses AI with Tools.1. Format 5, Markdown table. 1 instruction, perfect formatting. Paste it directly into Notion, GitHub, Confluence, or any documentation system. Add column headers, a sort criterion, and a verdict row, and the table lands ready to share without any editing. Format 6, JSON. This is the format that makes Zapier and Make.com automations production-ready from a single AI session. The instruction is output as valid JSON only. No explanation text, no code fences. That eliminates every post-processing step that normally sits between AI output and an automation actually running. When you pair this with role 6, the financial analyst, or role 8, the research analyst, and your context vault, you get structured, automation-ready data that goes directly into your workflow. Format 7, CSV. Same principle for spreadsheets. The AI produces raw CSV that imports directly. No reformatting, no copy-paste into cells. The instruction specifies snake case headers, double quote handling, and exact row count. Format 8, numbered ranking. The key fields are why this rank and trade-off, one sentence each per item. Those fields force the AI to show its reasoning, not just its conclusion. The bottom line field at the end makes the recommendation explicit and quotable.
4 process formats for decisions, plans, and risk assessment. Format 9, the decision matrix. Options on one axis, criteria on the other, 1 to 5 scoring with 3-word rationale per cell. The rationale field is the most important part. It forces the AI to show its reasoning rather than just producing a number. The recommended choice row makes the conclusion explicit and attributable. Format 10, the weekly plan. 2 fields that change everything. Not this week and risk. Making deferrals explicit prevents the carry everything forward planning failure. The risk field names the one thing most likely to break the week before it breaks it. Format 11, the pre-mortem. Assume failure. Write in past tense. Identify the 3 failure modes by likelihood times impact. Then, the most important field, the assumption that killed it. That is the single assumption most dangerous to the plan. Finding it before execution is the entire value of the format. Format 12, the meeting agenda. The objective field, the single decision this meeting must produce, and the this meeting is skippable if condition are the 2 fields that reduce meeting length and meeting frequency for teams that use them consistently.
2 communication formats and 1 specialized format. Format 13, the email sequence. The field most people miss is preview text, the 40 characters that appear after the subject line in someone's inbox. That field determines whether the email gets opened. The format builds it in so you never forget it. Re-engagement trigger specifies what subscriber action moves someone to a different sequence. Format 14, the structured argument, built on the SEXI framework. Statement, explanation, example, implication. Each block makes a distinct supporting point. The strongest objection field at the end is what makes this format genuinely persuasive, rather than just comprehensive. The AI preempts the objection the reader is forming before they form it. Format 15, the prompt chain, for anyone building AI workflows. Each step specifies its input, instruction, output, and which step it feeds into. After all steps, an overview, human checkpoints, and the failure mode. This format turns a sequence of AI tasks into a documented, repeatable pipeline, not just a session you have to redo from scratch every time. Same task, same AI. Watch what changes. The task: compare paid search, content, and SEO and LinkedIn as Q3 growth channels for our B2B SaaS. Without a format instruction, paid search is a strong option for immediate traffic, though it can be expensive. Content and SEO provides long-term compounding value, but takes 6 to 12 months to show results. Each channel has its advantages and disadvantages. The best choice depends on your specific goals, timeline, and available resources. That is not a decision. That is a summary of the question you already asked, and you would spend approximately 25 minutes turning it into something presentable. With Format 9, the decision matrix active, you get a scored table with 3-word rationale in every cell. Paid search, content SEO, and LinkedIn scored against CAC efficiency, time to first revenue, scalability, and founder time required. A recommended row at the bottom, ready to paste into your next strategy meeting without a single edit. Reformatting time without the format instruction, 25 minutes. With it, 0. The AI built the structure you needed, you just had to ask.
3 questions, 30 seconds, right format every time. First question: who or what uses this output? If the output goes into a tool or system, JSON for automations, CSV for spreadsheets, prompt chain for AI workflows. If the output goes to another person, pick based on what they need to do. A senior leader or board needs an executive summary. A complex decision needs a decision matrix. A quick pitch needs a one-pager. An email campaign needs the email sequence. A meeting needs the meeting agenda. If the output is for you, knowledge management gets para. Process documentation gets SOP. Planning gets weekly plan. Risk assessment gets pre-mortem. Comparisons and rankings get format 5 or 8. Persuasion gets the structured argument. Once you've run this decision a few times, it becomes automatic. You answer the question before you open an AI chat. That reflex is now part of how you think about prompting. The same reflex we built for role selection in issue 3.
This is the complete RCTO framework. All 4 issues, 1 prompt. Role from issue 3. Act as a senior growth marketing strategist with 10 years of experience building B2B acquisition engines. You think in unit economics first. You never recommend tactics without math. Context from issue 2. Your context vault. Your company, ICP, goal, and the specific bottleneck you're solving right now. Task from issue 1. Analyze our 3 proposed Q3 growth channels: paid search, content and SEO, and founder LinkedIn, and recommend the highest leverage bet given our stage and unit economics. Output from issue 4. Output as a decision matrix. Options: paid search, content and SEO, founder LinkedIn. Criteria: CAC efficiency, time to first revenue, scalability, founder time required. Score 1 to 5 with 3-word rationale per cell. Recommended choice row with 1-sentence justification. What you get? A scored decision matrix with rationale per cell and a clear recommendation, ready to paste into your next team meeting. 1 prompt, 1 usable deliverable, no reformatting. That is what the framework was built for.
3 mistakes and a fix for each. Mistake 1. Specifying a format type, but not the structure. Output as a table without column headers gives the AI enormous freedom about what goes in the columns. That freedom usually costs reformatting time. The fix? Always specify the skeleton, the exact column headers, the sort criterion, the specific rows you need. Constraints make the output more useful, not less. Mistake 2. Choosing a format before knowing who uses it. A beautifully structured SOP sent to a CFO gets ignored. An executive summary given to a team that needs step-by-step instructions creates errors. The format must match the audience and their action. First question before choosing any format: who uses this output and what do they do with it? Mistake 3. Using the same format for every prompt. Some people find one format, usually the numbered list, and apply it to everything. Numbered lists make great prioritization tools. They make terrible board updates. Fix: use the format selection guide. 3 questions, 30 seconds, right format every time. And here is the efficiency upgrade that combines all of this. Save your 3 most used format instructions in your context vault as a default output field. When the format is preloaded, you never have to decide. You confirm and continue.
4 issues, 4 elements, 1 complete framework. Issue 1, the RCTO structure, the architecture of every effective prompt. Issue 2, the context vault, the saved briefing that makes everything specific to you. Issue 3, the role prompt master list, 12 expert identities ranked by output quality. Issue 4, the output format library, 15 formats that make every output immediately usable. Your action step is simple. Add a format instruction to your next 3 prompts, any 3 from the list in the description. See what the output looks like compared to what you normally get. That is 3 prompts. It will take less than 15 minutes total. And after those 3 prompts, you will never submit another prompt without a format instruction. Download the output format library from the description. Use the format selection guide. Save your top 3 formats in your context vault.
Subscribe for issue 5, the iteration system. How to take a good AI output and make it excellent in 3 structured passes. The specific prompts for each pass and the failure modes that iteration reveals. See you next week.